everyone, welcome back. Today I have two Hermes items that I picked up yesterday that I would like to share with you. So I'm going to unbox, or not unbox, neither of them are actually in boxes, but I'm going to reveal the smaller one first. So it came in this little package. However, it is a new watch strap for the watch that I got for Christmas. So I have already put it on my watch, so I'm going to show you. So this is the strap I got. So if you saw my previous unboxing of this watch, it came with, let me just show you, this strap in the Grey Pearl Alligator. And then I also purchased the Berenia Black strap. And I also purchased an additional rose gold buckle. This is the solid rose gold one. And this one came with a plated rose gold one. So what I did not want to spend the money on another solid rose gold buckle. And you can't actually, according to my essay, you can't actually purchase the plated rose gold buckle separately. You can purchase the yellow gold one, which she did not have, or the silver one. So what I did was I purchased a little tool on Amazon. It only cost $10, and I removed the buckle from this one, so the rose gold plated buckle, with that little tool, and I put it on this new strap. So not ideal, because it's a little, a little more time consuming than just switching out the straps, but I also don't think it's worth spending another $2,500 on a solid gold or solid rose gold buckle. So anyway, that's what I did, and this strap is in Swift leather. And let me just look up the name of the color on the receipt. So it is, Swift, and it's in blue Zephyr. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. It's just a really pretty soft pastel blue, which I really loved and will go with a lot, especially in the spring and summer. So yeah, that is the first item that I picked up yesterday. And the second item, as you can see, is in a garment bag. So let me just, the garment bags are actually quite nice. Sorry, this is a little bit awkward to do this on camera. Okay, so just to show you, the garment bag has this Hermes symbol here. And I'm just going to take it out to reveal. So this is a, let me pan out here so you can see it. It is a denim jacket, and it has the little, oh, what is it called? The little symbol that is in a lot of Hermes items, and my mind is blanking on what that symbol is called. But it's, I'm not sure if it's black or very dark blue, and then the white background. And now I don't usually purchase ready-to-wear. It's not really my thing. I just, prefer contemporary brand clothing. I just don't generally like to spend this much on clothing. However, jackets, I do love jackets, and when I saw this, I fell in love with it. I think it's going to be perfect for spring and summer. It'll be perfect for an upcoming vacation that I'm going on, to somewhere warm. So, yeah, I just thought this was really cute and versatile. I purchased it in the Toronto store, and I had let my essay know that I was interested in it, so as soon as it came in, I went to pick it up, and luckily it fit. I wanted it a bit loose so that I could wear sweaters underneath if I wanted to, and I believe I got the size, let me see, yeah, size 42. which is perfect. Like I was wearing a sweater when I tried it on yesterday and it fit perfectly. I also tried it without the sweater and it worked. So yeah, it's got really pretty details. This little, all of the little buttons say Hermes Paris. On the back it has this little leather patch that says Hermes Paris. And it's got the two pockets here. Yeah, let me just show you the tag. So it was made in Italy. I'm not sure if that's typical if they're ready to wear, because like I said, I don't generally buy it, but yeah, I really, really loved this piece. And I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of it. I do wear denim jackets quite a bit, and this is definitely now the nicest one that I have. So I thought this would be a good little investment. So yeah, those are the two items that I picked up yesterday. I will give you information about the jacket. It was 3,900 Canadian plus tax, and the watch strap, just for the strap, not the buckle. So just for the strap, it was $360 Canadian. And I will show you the tag information for the jacket in case you're interested. So that is I guess the item number and the color and everything. And then it's got a little tag that says Le Denim. Yeah, so, oh, this is called the Chain Donk, I think is what it's called. Yeah, it had slipped my mind. And I believe the name of the jacket is the Chain Donk denim jacket, something like that, if you're looking for it online or anything, or want to ask your SA about it. I believe there's matching items like a matching skirt and pants, but I just got the jacket. So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you think. This is my first ready-to-wear piece from Hermes, and like I said, it's not really generally my thing, but this I just couldn't resist. I really, really love the design. So that's it for this video. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.